Welcome, today I am with Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite, and today I will show you the couple camera tricks that you can use when you have the smartphone. So let's open the camera. And at the first very useful feature is the Google Lens. You have to tap on the left to your shutter, tap on it once, then click to open the camera, accept the permission, and as you can see right now we moved to another camera. There's the Google, that's called the Google Lens, and as you can see we can, for example, find object around us, and if you want to buy something, for example this earbuds, you don't know what is the name of that object, so you switch to the shopping, grab your phone like that, then put the object into your camera. As you can see, it's detected when you have the dot on the object, then click here on the shutter, and after a few moments we will get results from the websites. And as you can see right now, we know that those earphones are called the AirPods Pro. As you can see, you can check more information here. You can also enter here to check, for example, the price when you tap. So there's the price in Poland, then you can find for this device. So there's a very useful feature. Of course, you can also find places. You can also take off the food. You can also use the translate of the text. So there's a couple of things that you can use in the Google Lens, and you can get quick access from your stock camera in the G8 Power Lite. Right now we are going to focus on the settings that we have here. So when you take a photo, we can use the camera timer, for example, for the 2 seconds. So set it up like that, then press on the shutter, and after a few seconds the photo will be taken. You can also use the 10 seconds, as you can see. You can also change the size and quality of your photos quickly by going for the photo size and picking 60 megapixels to get the better quality of your photos. We can also get location information on our photos. So when you enable this feature like that, and when you take a photo, take a look in the information, we will get exact location and where the photo was taken. So as you can see, there it is. You can also open it in the Google Maps. When we are back to the settings, we can also activate the Gridlines. When you enable this feature, you will get the Gridlines on your display, and you can make the better composition on your photos. We can also use a volume key. Let's take a look how it looks. As you can see, we can set up volume key as a shutter. When we press volume up or volume down button, we can use our volume key as a shutter. So when you grab your phone like that and you cannot reach shutter manually, you can use volume key. And basically that's all, because other modes that you have here are very common. Maybe we can also, I will show you maybe the macro mode. So when you click here, you can take macro shots and take a look how it looks. Let's catch the focus. Okay, let's get it like that. And after 2 seconds, the photo was taken, and take a look. Right now, we got a lot of details, so we can get very close to the object. So yeah, I think that's all, because there's no other features or mode that you can find in the smartphone that might interest you. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.